How to install the body and headrest pads for the Perfect Chair Supreme Upholstery package. So first you're going to recline the chair all the way back, and then you are going to install the body pad on the chair frame. And when you do this, you slide the footrest pocket over the end of the frame and make sure that is installed as far as it can go. Then you will incline the chair. First, you're going to install the headrest sock and make sure the padding that is on the sock is facing the rear of the chair. And next is the headrest pad with the full tuxedo back cover. You're going to undo the strap before you install it. Place the headrest pad over the back of the chair and reattach the strap, making sure not to do it too tight because the back of the tuxedo back will wrinkle. So make sure the straps are low and not in the way of the hook and loop fasteners on the canvas. Lift up on the body pad to detach it from the seat, pull it up toward the seat, then firmly press down on the seat to secure it to the canvas. Unroll the hook and loop fastener, and then you are going to line that up with the hook and loop fastener strip that is on the back of the chair. And make sure it lines up completely so that it does not detach. And press it down. And you could test this by pushing down the pad to make sure it doesn't detach. Then you are going to take the flap with the hook and loop fastener and tuck it into the headrest pad to attach the hook and loop fastener to the inside of the pad. Be sure to tuck the flap and secure between the headrest sock and inside the headrest pad, not behind the headrest sock. Press to secure. You can check by pulling up on the headrest pad. To secure the tuxedo back cover for the PC420 or manual chair, now to attach the strap, there's a loop on the bottom of the chair. You're just going to loop it in and then attach the hook and loop fastener. And straighten the back pad to make sure it's nice and straight with no wrinkles. To secure the tuxedo back cover for the PC600 or the PC610, which are the electric recline chairs, make sure to hold the bottom of the back cover as it reclines so it stays inside the back wood bar. Using the controller, recline the chair all the way back and raise the footrest. That way, when you go to reach for it to secure, it's easy to pull over that bar. Take the hook and loop fastener tab, pull it through the loop that is underneath the chair, pull it tight, and then fold it over and press to secure. Another way to secure the back cover, and this method works well if you have help, is to flip the chair over take the hook and loop fastener, pull it all the way through the loop completely, twist it and press down firmly to secure the hook and loop fastener. From there, you can put the chair right side up again and just straighten the footrest pad.